Welcome back to my channel, guys. Next in food, I am your diva chef Simone Walker Barrett, and today's tutorial is all about how to make Jamaican chocolate tea. So we're really making hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is embedded into our culture. We refer to it as chocolate tea, cocoa tea, and of course nowadays we're saying hot chocolate. That is made with, I like to say, virgin Jamaican chocolate. Chocolate that is picked from the tree in a pod, put out to dry, toasted in a pot, and then beat into a beautiful chocolate paste and ground up into a ball and look like this. So you can find this in your supermarket here in Jamaica. You can find this into the market. And my little name for it is just virgin chocolate because it has no fillers in there, only flavor. So this is what we use to make the Jamaican cocoa tea, chocolate tea, hot chocolate with some other goodness. So stick around and I'll show you how that is done. Alright guys, for chocolate tea we're going to need nutmeg, and also this little brown membrane looking thing on the nutmeg is another spice. It is called the mace of the nutmeg. This is what it looks like when you crush it up, so we're going to add some of that in. Chocolate absolutely loves spice, so don't be afraid to flavor it up. We're going to use a good old Jamaican cinnamon leaf. This you can find in the market, and these days I'm seeing it in the supermarket, so that goes in. And then of course we're going to be grating the chocolate. To grate the chocolate for the chocolate tea, you're going to need a sharp grater. Today I'm using a microplane, but feel free to use whatever grater you have in your kitchen. And all you do is just rub it back and forth onto your grater until it forms almost like a powder. Okay, now don't worry, if you don't have a grater, you can just drop the whole ball into the water, the boiling water, and it will just melt, because that's what chocolate does. It melts at high temperature or even just warm temperature. So don't worry, but this is how my mom would do it. She would just grate it, and so I'm grating it. But most times when I'm making it, I don't bother to grate it. I just drop it in the water and it just softens it and just dissolves out, and it takes the grating out of it. Alright, so this is what the grated chocolate looks like, and we're going to add this to our boiling water that we added the nutmeg mace in, and also a cinnamon leaf. In goes the grated chocolate. You have to be careful at this stage. Do not let it boil too rapid. It will boil over. So as soon as you add it, you can't walk away from it. You want to just stirring that goodness. You see that? It's almost like magic. As soon as it touches the hot liquid, it just dissolves its deliciousness into the hot liquid. And this is the beginning of our cocoa tea. Now, if you're lactose intolerant or you're a vegan and you don't do dairy, you can add coconut milk, or you can just have it all natural as it is, with or without sugar. I like to add a little bit of salt. I love salt in sweet stuff because salt adds flavor. Now my family absolutely love this with condensed milk, so I'm adding in some condensed milk for sweetness. Now if you don't like condensed milk, you can use your favorite milk. You could use, for example, evaporated milk with a little sugar for sweetness. And they also love the taste of coffee creamer. Coffee creamer just takes the creaminess up to another level. So the coffee creamer is my little secret to the hot chocolate, the cocoa tea, the cocoa tea, whatever you call it. Now vanilla is also a must, so we add in some vanilla. And this is quite easy. This is something that I will just have a craving for, and I will make it. I have it hot, and then the leftover is absolutely delicious chilled over ice. So it's summertime in Jamaica. We're coming up to the emancipation and independence holiday, so it's a great time to just give the hot chocolate some love. Make it for your family. This what I'm doing here now is just grating some fresh nutmeg in there, because chocolate loves spice, and nutmeg is a nice warm delicious spice. You could also add a pinch of cinnamon, but because we added the cinnamon leaf, that is enough spice. And this is all there is to it. Hot chocolate is getting a moment, so I'm going to have 1 cup hot and 1 cup cold. Make some hot chocolate today. Make some hot chocolate. Comment down below. Tell us how you found this tutorial. And also like and share, and tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Next in Food. So we're just gonna let this hang out just for another minute, and I'll show you how to strain it and enjoy it. Alright guys, so the chocolate is finally ready, and one of the things, because it's virgin chocolate, you want to strain it out. So you put a small sieve over your favorite teacup and you just strain it out and enjoy a hot chocolate. Remember, you can have this hot chocolate. You have to blow on it. You have to give it a little time. It will burn your mouth off because chocolate is filled with oil. Anyways, chocolate is getting a moment. What do you call it? We call it hot chocolate in my house. My family call it cocoa tea, chocolate tea. Make this for your family, and if you don't want to have it hot, feel free to chill it and enjoy it cold. I am your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett. If you have not yet subscribed, I ask you to do so. Comment down below, and you take care until I see you again with another of my family's favorite comfort food. Cheers to hot chocolate.